Hello, my friends. Are you ready to go on a nature hike adventure with me? We are going to be adventuring with M, N, and R today. To get started, let's see. R. What letter spells R? R. Good. R spells like run. Can you run in place? Run, run, run. Perfect. Let's write a run together. Get your whiteboards or a paper and let's make it together. To write your L, you're going to dive down, swim up and over. He's a short letter. If you have lined paper, it would be under the line. Where's your tall R? Has a bump up top. R. Make a few more with me. Swim down, up, and over. Dive down, swim up, and over. You've got it. Let's see some words that start with our sound. R, A, R, A. Notice that A-Y makes the A sound. That's right, the Y makes the A say its name. A ray of sunshine lit up the grass. Ray. R-A-Y. Try to write it on your boards now. A. Good. We have a new blend at the end. A. K. A. K. R. O. C. K. The CK together makes the K sound. Rock. May I bring home a rock in my pocket? Rock. One more. I, V, Notice that when we have an R next to an E, it's not a magic E. It makes an sound. River. The I doesn't say its name. River. Come splash in the river with me. River. Very good. River. Next. N. 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 Letter N spells N like nod. Can you nod your head? Nod. Nod. Great. Let's write a letter N. It's so similar to letter R. Ready? We're going to dive down, swim up and over, but don't stop. Go all the way down. Letter N. N. Let's do another right next to it. Dive down, swim up and over, and all the way down. N. This one is a short letter as well, just like our friend R. Let's do one more. Dive down, swim up, over, don't stop, go down. N, n, n. What kind of letter N words will we find? Let's see. Next on our nature hike, we find n, et, n, et. Net. We carefully catch fish and bugs in our net. Net. Good. N-E-T spells net. Great. Now I'm going to add a letter to make a new blend. N, e, s, t. N, e, s, t. Nest. You got it? Are there any eggs in the nest? Nest. Good. N, a, t, s. N, a, t, s. We add an S at the end to make it plural. Nut, s. Nuts. Some small mammals eat nuts and seeds. Nuts. Nuts. I see another letter coming our way. Mm, mm. M spells like march. Can you march in place? Mm, 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 mm. March. This is our last letter of the day. Now let's start the same way. We start with our N, so that's coming down, around, down. We're going to swim up and over one more time and back down. Mmm, mmm. Beautimous. Let's do it again. Start down, up, swim down, up, swim down. Mmm, mmm, mmm. Perfect. Now I just remembered that we usually do skywriting, don't we? If you prefer to skywrite these, you totally can. You start from the top. Swim back up. You can skywrite all of these letters. I love to skywrite. Let's look for some words. We need our app. App. Map. Can you find the trail on the map? App. Map. Good. A d. A d. A d. Mud. Watch out for the mud. Mud. Now we have two O's in this one. O, O next to each other goes ooh. Ooh. N. Ooh. N. Moon. Moon. I can see the moon and stars. Moon. That sounds like we have had a very long day at our nature hike. Let's do some short sounds. Short sounds don't say their names. Are you ready? I'll show you the first one. It's okay to listen if you're not sure. Ra, ra, r, ri, re. Good. We'll do ends next. Na, na, n, ni, ne. Good. Last one is our M's. Ma, ma, m, mi, me. Very good. Let's do a word ladder. I love word ladder ahead. Did you know that our words can so easily become other words? This is going to be so much fun. I'm going to do it on my whiteboard. You can do it on your whiteboard or you can watch along. Are you so ready? Let's start with the word mad. M, a, d, mad. I want to change mad to man. I'm going to change my N sound. M, a, d, m, a, n, m, a, n. Man. What if I change my n to a t? M, a, t, mat. Change your to a r, at, rat. Change your t to a n, a, n, ran. Change your a to an n, run. Change your n to a t, t, rut. Change your to a n, t, nut. Change your to an t, net. Change your n to a et, met. Met. Oh my goodness. Excellent work. We are getting better and better at those. Last, we have some sentences to try. Give this one a try. There is a pictured cue, but try to read the words. Our first one is a heart word. Good. The rock is big. The rock is big. You can try to just read it, try to write it, or both. The rock is big. Good. The net is red. The net is red. The net is red. Good. The map is wet. Wet. The map is wet. Excellent. Here's our last one. You can write the word, you can write the sentence, or take a deep breath. I hike. I like to hike with you. Thank you for playing with me today, friends. I really enjoyed our time together, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.